Hey guys, it's Amy here from Amy's Art Alchemy, and welcome back to my channel. It has been a long time since I've been on YouTube. If you follow me on Instagram, then you guys already know I have been in the process of a big home renovation, and it actually involves my art studio. So remodeling my art studio has been a really fun experience, but also I'm so ready to get it completed. I'm not gonna lie, I do not have the best patience. I'm glad that you guys can only see this little area right here because all around me is full of boxes, and I'm so ready to get it completed. I'm grateful, very grateful that we were able to do this. It is something that I've been wanting to do for a while. There was nothing wrong with my studio beforehand other than I needed a new door. My door leaked and needed new windows. But aside from that, there was nothing really major wrong with my studio. So I took upon the opportunity while we were doing those things to just revamp it a little bit, and new paint, flooring, and decorating and everything. So I'm really excited to get that completed. Unfortunately, it's probably still going to be honest, probably a couple months before it's finished because we are very busy. Being a parent obviously comes first, and our kids keep us very busy. So in the meantime, I am still working as much as I can, keeping our International A3 ATC swap group going. I will be starting back our sneak peek videos, so I do have a little recording space on my desk cleared off where I can do those sneak peek videos, and then I work on the swapping process actually in my kitchen. So that is definitely still taking place. So I am excited that I still am able to do things while working on the renovation because we still have a lot to go. However, today's video is actually about something that came in the mail, and I wanted to open it up and share it with you guys. I have been admiring Blythe dolls for a really long time. I just absolutely love them. I don't love all dolls. I mean, yeah, I think they're cute, but I've never really been much of a doll collector. However, over the past couple years, my Alice in Wonderland doll collection, I mean, it just grows continuously. But I love Alice in Wonderland, so that will always be a thing. Anytime I find a new Alice doll, she's going to come home with me because I just love them. But I also love just different types of dolls, really unique dolls. You know, like the creepy dolls. I'm really wanting to make a Wednesday Addams doll. I have several dolls that I found in some thrift stores, which I'm hoping to create a YouTube video soon and do some altering of these dolls. And I would really like to make a Wednesday Addams doll. I'd also like to make, I don't know, just a bunch of different really cool things. But aside from those dolls, I have really been drawn to the Blythe dolls. I just think they are so cute. It's nothing that obviously I'm really going to play with, but I am going to pose her and let her have some pictures and adventures in my studio just because I can. Why not? And I finally bought myself a Blythe doll. I'm really excited to open her up. This came from a very talented artist from Madrid, Spain. Her name is Gemma, and I will link her Etsy store in the description box below. She arrived to me, and I thought it would just be a perfect time to open this up on camera and show you guys. I'm just so very excited about her. So I'm going to go ahead and open her up. Figured I would show you guys the same time that I am seeing. So I hope everybody has been doing well. If you follow me on Instagram, then you already know my absence on YouTube. If you do not follow me on Instagram, that is why. We've just been super busy, aside from our kids' busy schedules and football and things, but I wouldn't trade that for the world. I would much rather go to my kids' events and even just driving them around like a taxi. I just wouldn't trade that for the world. So I'm really excited to open this doll up, you guys. I'm so excited to be back on YouTube. I'm really looking forward to creating our sneak peek videos for our International A3 ATC swap group. Starting those back up. I had to take August off just because things was crazy. We still did the swap, but I didn't get to do the sneak peek video, so I'm really excited to start those up again. All right, so all I did was take off the brown packaging, and she did a really beautiful job packaging her up, which I really appreciate because the mail system is just crazy. I mean, I gotta be honest, I am still extremely grateful that we can still send mail. So I try not to complain when mail is delayed, or it just, I mean, arrives a little beat up, or mainly delayed. Mail is just crazy delayed, but I try not to complain because we are still in a pandemic, and I mean, we should just be grateful that we can still send mail. Oh my gosh, you guys. Okay, so what I was saying, she did a beautiful job packaging her up, making sure she was safe. So extra bubble wrap. She is already so cute, and it's just the box. Okay, this packaging is just so cute. Okay, so Jimenez Doll is what I'm thinking that says. Jimenez Doll. And it is a custom Blythe doll. So I will put her Etsy store in the description box below. She's got this really pretty pink ribbon. And actually, the artist that created her had named her Rose, which you guys know I love my flowers. So I also love the name Rose, but I'm thinking she already has a nickname, and I will reveal that once you see the doll. And I'm sure you could probably guess what it is once you see her. I am so excited to open it up. Of course, I'm going to save the little stickers. I fell in love with this artist work. She just does such a beautiful job customizing her dolls. Oh my goodness, her packaging. Oh man, let's see. I really don't have the best setup right now. Okay, so she's got all these little Blythe dolls here, and then she wrote me a sweet little note on the back. It is in Spanish, so I'm going to have my husband translate, but I can read a bunch of it. She's saying thank you for adopting Rose and enjoy her, so I'm really excited about that. So awesome. She comes with all this little confetti inside, so beautiful packaging. The way that she has just packaged her up is just, she did a good job. Here are some accessories. I cannot wait. I'm so excited. And she sent me some candy. Look, how sweet is that? Oh goodness. Okay, I'll show you all the little accessories and things. The listing said that she will come in a similar outfit, so I really am unsure the exact outfit that she is arriving in, because she just said similar outfit, but I didn't care because the doll was beautiful, and like I said, the artist work is absolutely beautiful, so I know the outfit will be just gorgeous regardless. So she sent me all kinds of candy. We've got suckers and all kinds of things. She sent me a, oh, look, it's a little Blythe keychain. Oh, she sent me a pencil, a Blythe pencil. All the little confetti in here is awesome. It's just like a little surprise. I am making a huge mess with it, I'm not gonna lie. But, okay, let's see. Let's see what we have here. Oh, look how beautiful this is. Look at this illustration. So gorgeous. So gorgeous. So we have, her name is JimenasdollRegalos at Jimenez Doll. So excited. I should have given myself a little bit bigger space to record this video so you guys could actually see my table, but I was too excited to open her up. Oh my goodness. She is adorable. Look at this. Look at the, oh my gosh. I just love her. Look, you guys. Okay, let me take her little protective packaging off. Just I really appreciated that so she didn't get damaged in shipping. Really, really appreciated that extra packaging. Oh my goodness, you guys, look. Look at this pink hair. I just love her so much. Look at the custom eyelids. Look at the little freckles. Look at her beautiful carving on her lips, her nose. She's just so pretty. Her little dress, it's got flamingos and it says Supergirls, unicorn. Oh, it's got rainbows, girl power. She's got little pink and white long socks on and some gold Converse. Like, how cute is that? So if you guys are unfamiliar with Blythe dolls, well, then I'm so excited that I am able to show you your first one. These dolls are really unique. They have 2 pull strings on the back, and one of the pull strings opens the eyelids, and it reveals beautiful eyes. This artist did some custom eye chips and did some extra changes on there. So she's got these beautiful pink eyes. So one pull string opens the eyelids, and then the other pull string, you close it, and you hear that little click. So you go to open it again, and she's got a new set of eyes. This one, she is looking to the side, so we've got a really pretty side eye look. And then you pull the other pull string, and it closes it, and you'll hear a little click. And then you open it again. Look at these gorgeous eyes. So that's our third set. So we close it again, and you'll hear a little click. And then we've got these other really pretty side eyes. I just love this so much. Look at how gorgeous her eyes are. My boys find these dolls. Actually, they find all of my dolls because I have a Frida doll, and then I have a bunch of Alice dolls, and that's really all that I have. I don't have like a whole bunch of, no, I'm lying. I have a Rainbow Bright doll and a Strawberry Shortcake because I was born in the 80s. But I do plan on making some other dolls, but they find these dolls super creepy with the eyes, but I love them. So again, close it, and you hear the little click, and you open it, and we're back to the gorgeous pink eyes. Like, I just love her so much. Her eyes change beautifully. Her eye mechanism is just perfect. I love that you can hear the little click. Beautiful. We've got these gorgeous pull strings that she made. We've got her, she added her little store on the pull string. I love her little gold Converse. She's just absolutely beautiful. And then, you guys, she also sent me a set of hands. So Blythe dolls are really cool. You can move them around and do different poses and things with them, but you can also pop off their hands. And then she sent me this little package of other hands. So I am so grateful. That was so very sweet of this artist to do that. I love her little freckles. And then she also sent me another outfit. Like, we've got this adorable little headband, which I saw this headband on the original listing. Or it was one similar, so I know that's what this is a headband. I'm dropping confetti everywhere. Like, look at this. How cute is this? Oh my goodness. Her hair is so soft and so pretty. Look at that. How cute. And then she also sent me this little dress. So let's open it up and see it. No, it's not a dress. Oh my goodness. I love it even more. I thought it was a cute dress, but I'm not gonna lie, I love it even more knowing it's a hat. It's another little hat. Look at this hat. Oh my goodness. I love this. I don't know why I thought this was a dress, but look at this hat. Oh my goodness. I love this. Love this, love this, love this. How adorable is this hat? So darn cute. She's just absolutely beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful. I'm so excited to own her. She is the first Blythe doll that I have ever adopted. Her name is Rose, but she does have a nickname. I wonder if you guys can guess what it is. Her nickname is going to be Pinkie. Which I just think fits her perfect with her beautiful pink hair. I love her eyes. I love her eyelashes, and I thought I would open her up on camera and show you guys. So I am definitely going to get on my Etsy right now and send this artist a message and tell her how much I love her and let her know that she arrived safely. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this. If this is your first time seeing a Blythe doll, go check them out. Go check out this artist store. I will link, I'll put her Etsy store name in the description box below. Also, if you're not following me on Instagram, I'll put my Instagram name below because she is going to have some adventures in my studio. So I'm so excited about that. So you guys go check it out. So if you're new to Blythe Dolls, go check out this artist, whether you're new to them or not. If you are new to them, go search them up. So many amazing, amazing dolls out there. They are just absolutely beautiful. My next doll, I've actually already purchased another one, and guess what she is? It's an Alice one. So I'm so excited to show you guys that. She actually has arrived too. I just only wanted to open up one at a time, but this was the very first one that I purchased. Rose was my very first Blythe doll that I adopted, so I'm so very excited to own her. Anyways, I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. I know it was definitely different, not like my usual videos, even though sometimes I do thrift shop hauls and things that I've purchased. This is just definitely a one-of-a-kind, extra special doll, and I thought I would share her with you. So I hope that you guys enjoyed it. Hope you all have a great day. As always, happy crafting.